Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with effective solutions for all your beauty and health concerns. Today we are going to talk about a miraculous ingredient that can help you achieve gorgeous hair: Vitamin E oil. If you've been struggling with hair growth issues or want to improve the health of your hair, this video is for you. So, let's learn how to use Vitamin E oil for hair growth effectively. Before we dive into the various ways to use Vitamin E oil, let's understand why it's so beneficial for hair growth. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, which can lead to hair loss and stunted hair growth. It also improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles. Now, let's explore some practical application methods that can harness the benefits of Vitamin E oil for your hair. 1. Pure Vitamin E oil massage. One of the simplest ways to use Vitamin E oil for hair growth is through a relaxing scalp massage. All you need is some pure Vitamin E oil. Massage the oil gently onto your scalp using circular motions. This will help stimulate blood circulation and nourish your hair follicles, promoting hair growth. For enhanced effectiveness, leave the oil on your scalp for at least 1 hour before washing it off. You can repeat this process once or twice a week for optimal results. 2. Vitamin E oil with carrier oil blend. If you feel that pure Vitamin E oil is too thick or sticky for your liking, you can easily create a blend by mixing it with a carrier oil. Some popular carrier oils include coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. Mix equal parts of Vitamin E oil and your chosen carrier oil. Apply the blend onto your scalp and massage it gently. This blend not only provides the benefits of Vitamin E but also combines the nourishing properties of the carrier oil, further aiding hair growth. Leave the blend on your scalp for an hour or two before washing it off. Repeat this process regularly for noticeable results. 3. Vitamin E oil in hair masks. Another effective way to use Vitamin E oil for hair growth is by incorporating it into your hair masks. You can create a simple yet powerful hair mask by mixing Vitamin E oil with ingredients like yogurt, honey, or aloe vera gel. Vitamin E oil will add a boost of nourishment to these masks, promoting hair growth and strengthening your hair follicles. Apply the hair mask generously, covering your scalp and hair strands. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour before rinsing it off thoroughly. Repeat this hair mask treatment once a week for best results. 4. Vitamin E Oil Capsules. If you find it difficult to source pure Vitamin E oil, you can opt for Vitamin E oil capsules or supplements. Simply puncture a capsule and extract the oil. Apply the oil directly to your scalp and massage it gently. This method allows you to control the quantity of Vitamin E oil and ensures you are using pure oil. Leave it on your scalp for an hour or two before washing it off. Incorporate this into your hair care routine regularly to boost hair growth. 5. Dietary Vitamin E. Apart from external application, it's crucial to consume Vitamin E-rich foods to promote hair growth from within. Include foods like spinach, nuts, seeds, and avocados in your diet to ensure you're getting an adequate amount of Vitamin E. Remember, healthy hair starts from within, so maintaining a well-balanced diet is just as important as external hair care routines. Useful tips. Before we conclude, here are some useful tips to maximize the effectiveness of using Vitamin E oil for hair growth. 1. Perform a patch test before using any new product to ensure you're not allergic to it. 2. Always use pure Vitamin E oil or reputable Vitamin E supplements. 3. Be consistent with your application methods to see noticeable results over time. 4. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, exercise, and stress management. 5. Stay patient. Hair growth takes time, and it's important to keep your expectations realistic. You now know how to use Vitamin E oil for hair growth effectively. Incorporate these methods into your hair care routine, be consistent, and watch your hair transform into a healthy, luscious mane. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also benefit from these tips. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay tuned, stay healthy.